Nearly 340,000 Rohingya children are living in squalid conditions in Bangladesh camps where they lack enough food, clean water and health care. The United Nations Children's Fund, Unicef, said on Friday. Up to 12,000 more children join them every week, fleeing violence or hunger in Myanmar. Often still traumatized by atrocities they witnessed, it said in a report, Outcast and Desperate. In all, almost 600,000 Rohingya refugees have left northern Rakhine state since the 25th of August, when the UN says the Myanmar army began a campaign of ethnic cleansing, following insurgent attacks. This isn't going to be a short term, it isn't going to end anytime soon, Simon Ingram, the report's author and a Unicef official, told a news briefing. So, it is absolutely critical that the borders remain open and that protection for children is given, and equally that children born in Bangladesh have their birth registered. Most Rohingya are stateless in Myanmar and many fled without papers, he said, adding of the newborns in Bangladesh. Without an identity they have no chance of ever assimilating into any society effectively. Safe drinking water and toilets are in desperately short supply in the chaotic, teeming camps and settlements, Ingram said after spending 2 weeks in Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh. In a sense it's no surprise that they must truly see this place as a hell on earth, he said. 1 in 5 Rohingya children under the age of 5 is estimated to be acutely malnourished, requiring medical attention, he said. There is a very severe risk of outbreaks of waterborne diseases, diarrhea and quite conceivably cholera in the longer term, he added. UNICEF is providing clean water and toilets, and has helped vaccinate children against measles and cholera, which can be deadly, he said. The agency is seeking $76 million under a $434 million UN appeal for Rohingya refugees for 6 months. But is only 7% funded, he said, speaking ahead of a pledging conference in Geneva on Monday. UN agencies are still demanding access to northern Rakhine, where an unknown number of Rohingya remain despite UN reports that many villages and food stocks have been burned. We repeat the call for the need for protection of all children in Rakhine state. This is an absolute fundamental requirement. The atrocities against children and civilians must end, Ingram said. We just must keep putting it on the record, we cannot keep silent.
Outcast and desperate, that was the phrase that we came up with. To me, it doesn't really begin to approach, to capture the severity of what we believe to be the situation on the ground, the reality on the ground, for something like now approaching 600,000 people, of whom well over half are children.